Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about the petty cash. In previous video we have already learned the two types of cash book. First one was simple column cash book and double column cash book. If you have not watched that video, then first of all you should watch that video. Link is available in the description box. So first you go through that video. Then after this topic will be helpful for you. Okay, see here. First of all we will understand what is petty cash. Petty cash is a book in which receipts and expenses of small amounts are recorded. And petty cash is the book which is used for recording expenses involving small amounts. It means we cannot record the expenses that are in a large amount. We can only record all those expenses which are in a small amount. And petty cash book is like a petty cash account. It is maintained by petty cashier. It means petty cashier will maintain the petty cash book. Now, now what are the types of petty cash book? If we talk about the types of petty cash book, here we will learn two types of petty cash book. First one is simple petty cash book and another it will be analytical petty cash book. Analytical petty cash book. In simple petty cash book, what would be happen here? In simple petty cash book, there will be only one column for each receipts and payment. It means for receipts and payment, here there will be only one column. This is a simple petty cash book. And if we talk about the analytical petty cash book, it means here there will be multiple column for payments, not the receipt. Receipt column will only be one here, but for payment there will be multiple column. This is the analytical petty cash book. For examination point of view, generally analytical petty cash book question will be asked, not the simple petty cash book question. Here is a question we have taken. We have to prepare the petty cash for the month of April 2022. These are the problems. Due for petty cash, how much? 5,000. Amount paid for postage 300. Paid telephone bill, paid cartage, paid for postage, paid for sundries, paid for stationery. This is the format of simple petty cash book. Here for receipt side, amount column is only 1, and for the payment side, amount column is also 1. But if we will learn the analytical petty cash book, there the amount column will be multiple, not single amount column. For each payment, there will be separate amount column. First of all, we have to transfer the balance from main cash to petty cash. It means here the amount is given on 1st April. What is happening here? Due for petty cash, how much? 5,000. He is drawing from bank, not from cash. If you will withdraw from the bank, then what entry you will pass here? Cash account debit to bank account. So here we will write on 1st April 2022 to bank account. You are receiving the amount, so amount will be shown in the receipt side. This is the receipt side and this will be the payment side. Now what is happening here? On 3rd April, paid for postage, how much? 300. And what entry you will pass here? Postage account debit to cash account. So we will write here by postage account. Postage account, how much? 300. Next you are paying for on 5th April for telephone bill, paid for telephone bill, how much? 400. We will write here on 5th April by telephone bill account, how much? 400. Next on 8th April, what is happening here? Paid for cartage, how much? 140. We will write here by cartage account, how much? 140. Next, on 9th April, again paid for postage how much? 200. We will write here on 9th April by postage account. How much amount is there? 200. Next, on 12th April, paid for sundries how much? 100. On 12th April by sundry expense count how much? 100 for sundry expense. And at last 27 April, paid for stationery how much? 300. On 27 April by stationery account how much? 300. So these are the payments of the petty cash. Now what we have to do? We have to balance as it is. How much the total amount? Total amount is here 5,000. How much the total payment amount? You can write here also 5,000. On 30th April, your month will be end by balance CD. How much would be the balance here? You have to add this one total and minus from 5,000. Then your balance amount will be here 3,560. And this will be opening balance to balance BD for the next month on 1st May. From this balance, your petty cash book will be open 3,560 like this. This is all about the simple petty cash book.